Good day. Today we're going to be discussing how to service your machine and how to keep it clean, how to keep your chain sharp as well. First thing we're going to start with is the air filter. We're going to open the air filter cover. Once your air filter cover is out, on the inside of the air filter, you're going to find the inner air filter, which is plastic, and then you also have the filter, which can be washed with warm water and left to dry. That's if there's no oil on it. If there is oil on it, then you can take it into clean petrol. Just a little bit of clean petrol, rinse it in, squash it out, make sure that it's dry properly. Only when it's dry, then do you put it back into the machine. The spark plug. Take the spark plug lead out, like so. The spanner is provided in the box. We're just going to put the machine down. We're just going to push down and remove the spark plug by hand. Once your spark plug is out, you can have a look at the spark plug and determine whether the spark plug is good or not. If you have a look at the spark plug, it's got a nice opening on it. There must be a gap in between the spark lead. If there is no gap in there, you can clean it out with a little bit of sandpaper. Just run it through the center of it and make sure that everything else is clean. If the machine still does not start after you've cleaned the spark plug, you're going to have to replace the spark plug. But that's just to service up to make sure that everything is right. A grayish coloration on the spark plug indicates that there's less oil in your mix, and a dark black soot or oily residue on the spark plug means that there's too much of oil on the spark plug. That could be the oil is not burning up fast enough, or you've put too much oil in the mix. Once you've determined all of that, you can take your spark plug, put your spark plug back in, like so. Don't forget to tighten it up. We don't want any air coming in from the back of the spark plug. The machine will start to backfire. Put your filter back in, making sure it's the correct way around. We're going to put the cover back in. Like so. That part is done. We're going to go over to the chain, which we have the cover on. Pull that out. The file comes with the machine, but not every chainsaw comes with a cleaning file or a maintenance file. This you can get from the normal hardware shop, from almost any hardware shop. You go in, you ask them for a round file. Best is that you take your chain with you. So once your chain is out, take the chain with you so that you get the right size to fit the groove of the cutting area on your chain itself. Okay. You got grooves that go to the left, and you have grooves that go to the right on either side. The best way to do it is put your machine flat down, put your file into it, and make sure that you go in the direction that the chain is in. You don't want to be moving your chain or to move your actual file side to side. Then you're just going to dull the chain. Make sure that you have it right up against the chain or the cutting edge of the chain, and move in a motion that is smooth. So that's up, down, up, down. Now, tip, take a black oaky pen and mark the first one that you've done. So when you do turn the chain, like so, you'll be able to find it when it comes back. You don't want to be going over and over trying to look or trying to see where you've started. So remember, take your file in the direction that the cutter is going in. You're going to push in that direction. Firm and in a smooth operation. That will maintain your chain and keep your chain sharp to a point. But this is not going to keep the chain as sharp as you want it to be. You're going to have to get it taken in to actually get the machine get it machine sharpened. That is a tool that not everybody has, but there is out there. Okay, I'm going to put the cover back in. I hope this video helps you, and stay tuned for further. Thank you.